Hello and welcome to Brown Boy White Wife. I'm Brown Boy.
I'm very much white wife.
And today we're going to do a cooking video.
Yeah, I saw the still of this when I came and sat down and I was like, what?
So this is from the Village Cooking channel. Have you ever seen the Village Cooking channel?
No.
I can't believe I haven't shown you this yet. Like I watch this from time to time.
Just to get a little warm fuzzies?
It's quite something. So
Okay.
we'll watch it. I think you're gonna want Indian food maybe after.
I usually do.
Yeah, it's true.
What is the conceit of the Village Cooking channel?
It's
Is
what
it in
it's
the
exactly what the title is.
Okay. So
Okay.
cooking large amounts of
Large
food.
amounts of food that could feed an entire village.
Great.
Okay.
All right.
The specific one is we're looking at the inside mutton biryani. So they're cooking mutton biryani inside a goat, a sheep.
Wait.
It's inside mutton itself.
Oh, it's not just inside mutton biryani. Like we're going inside
No, it's
the
cooked.
recipe.
It's outdoors. It's cooked outdoors.
But it's cooked inside of a goat.
Yes.
I was not prepared for that, even from the still that I saw.
No. Let's watch it.
Great.
Okay. And play.
கிட்டா பிரியாணி செம்மையா சமைக்கிறோம் பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டு எல்லாரும் வாங்க ஆல்வேஸ் வெல்கம் யூ மங்களகரமா மஞ்சள் ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்.
That's really cool. That's super cool.
You know it's gonna be delicious.
அரைச்ச மஞ்சள் சாந்து அரைச்ச மிளகாய் சாந்து
There is a little subtitle, by the way, about what it is if you see it.
அரைச்ச இஞ்சி பூண்டு
Tiny little.
Yeah.
முணுக்கின மிளகுத்தூள் முணுக்கின கல்லுப்பு.
I mean, that's such a great spice paste right there. I can tell. God, the Foley on this.
It's like ASMR also. Like,
என்ன சொல்றிய ஆசம் தானே
I feel like we should put a trigger warning on this video.
நெஞ்ச வவுறாண்டா தாத்தா நீங்க உள்ள வச்ச மசாலா தாத்தா நெஞ்ச வந்து விடுவோம்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல கத்தி எடுத்துறேன்.
no. Should we stop watching?
No, we're in it now. Oh, good, a pot. Let's focus on the pot.
செக்கில ஆட்டுன சுத்தமான தேங்காய் எண்ணெய்
Yeah, we can do.
சுத்தமான நாட்டு பசு நெய்
That's a lot of ghee.
And oil. Yummy.
பட்டை கிராம்பு ஏலக்காய்
All spices.
நறுக்கின வெங்காயம்
The amount of prep work this
பச்சை
takes.
மிளகாய் அரைச்ச மிளகாய் சாந்து மல்லித்தலை புதினா அரைச்ச இஞ்சி பூண்டு தக்காளி
This will be so delicious.
பச்சை தண்ணி கல்லுப்பு
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow. I mean, that by itself is going to be amazing.
And it's cooked on coal, like on woods, like it's gonna be so good.
It really does make a difference, doesn't it?
And I think Indian food is best when it's cooked in large quantities. Like it's like community food, you know? That's how you cook it.
Have you ever had this?
No.
Would you ever have this?
I think so. There is definitely a level of like, but there's also another part of me that knows how great this is going to taste.
Yeah, like I'm sitting over here like, oh my god. But you know, every Thanksgiving, my mom would put the stuffing inside the turkey, and I eat the hell out of that.
Right?
So good.
And you know this is going to be. Would you eat this?
Yeah, I would eat it. I wouldn't want to see it prepared, but I would eat it. I'm one of those people. So much care that's being taken. Who decided to put a bunch of rice inside of a hollowed out sheep? Goat.
I mean,
sheep.
why wouldn't you if it's empty?
If it's
Fill it. That's what I say.
fill it. Wow. They do rely a lot on ASMR for this, don't they? So it doesn't touch the bottom. They each get their own goat. Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Just put that. It's got all that hay from the pot.
Oh man, it's literally falling off the bones. Wow. Wow. Like, how could you not eat that, honestly? Those are strong cook hands, too. Those bones are gonna be hot.
Oh, they're gonna be so hot.
Wow.
I am so hungry.
Still quite macabre, but like also delicious.
Yeah.
Quite macabre.
And like that rice is now just infused with all those meat juices. It's gonna be so good.
Do you know what area this might be from?
Not sure.
Like maybe we just India.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
just pull the bone apart.
I wonder how long it took to cook that.
No, the banana leaves.
Biryani.
And you gotta eat this with your hands.
Of course. Wow, now I'm super hungry. I literally just ate breakfast.
And yeah, when I picked this video, I was like, oh, we're gonna have to have Indian food in the next 2 days.
Yeah.
பாதி வேக்காட்டில் பிரியாணியை சமைச்சு அதை முழு கிடாய்க்கில் வச்சு ஆவியிலேயே முழு ஆட்டையும் வேக வச்சு பிரியாணியை வேக வச்சு அப்படியே ஆட்டோட கொண்டாந்து பிரியாணியை கொட்டி அந்த ஆட்டெல்லாம் பிச்சு அந்த ஆட்டு கறியை சாப்பிடும்போது அந்த பிரியாணியை சாப்பிடும்போது அப்படியே மந்தி பிரியாணி சாப்பிட்டா எப்படி இருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி வேற லெவல். இன்னைக்கு முழு கிடா பிரியாணி முழுசா பிடிச்சாச்சு.
Biryani.
Biryani. He said mandi. And now it's the village cook has eaten.
I was wondering if it was going to be those guys.
Yeah. That's a lot of food that would otherwise go to waste. Like,
Yeah.
they serve like these people, like the old people.
Cool. Okay. Cool YouTube channel that's cool, that's great and interesting and is going to a good cause.
Yeah.
I really like that. That's really cool.
And it makes you really hungry.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Would you want to watch more videos from this channel? How do you feel? Right?
Yeah, I like
This is good to watch.
How about you? What do you think? Should we react to more of these videos or should we just watch them on our own?
Yeah.
Because either way, we're watching.
You're going to watch them. Thank you for joining us. And if there's any more cooking videos, food videos that you want us to watch, let us know.
100%. I'm super into that.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.